right, so I am going to apply. So if you pull, don't get too much. If you get this on your nails when you do crystal placement, it is a little bit much. I think too much. It's only when you're using it with like crystal is 3D pointed back, you might need that much. But when you're doing your flat back, too much. Too much, it's just wasting your condensed glue gels. It doesn't help to adhere crystal while it's gold, but then it's gonna flood your crystal. It looks like your crystal is go deep into your condensed glue gels. So enough, it's just like thick. You can see that how I move my brush is how thick it is. I love it. At first I was shocked and oh my god, how can I move this? It's so hard. But that's how it is. The formula is special for you, so then your crystal placements will stay on. So when you apply it on, it looks like a lumpy. It's normal. It's not gonna look like a big lump. It's just like not even. That's all. And then we are gonna get the top coat to step in. No wipe top coat. If you decide to want to do this matte top coat, you put the matte top coat on. Or if you want to stay with the shiny, we are going to apply the no wipe top coat floating. Why do I have to apply this on? Because the condensed glue gel is still have a tacky layer. It's a lot of photo initiators. So then that if you are not finishing with the top coat, you still have to go back and then finish it, so then it will not have a tacky layer. So then it might try to get all your top coat on the top of the crystal, which is you do not want it. You want it to completely is nice and grab your crystal without is interruptions of a top coat on the top. So look at what I am going to do. I'm gonna using both as gorgeous a perfect shards in AB, and guess what I have is the perfect shard beautiful in the green, have a deep green. I love it. And using on my crystal glow in the darks. See, that's simple enough. We're gonna wipe it off. It's a wax residue is make it taking away. Thank you so much, Victoria. Victoria's on YouTube said Trifecta is awesome. My clients is or I never lose any crystal. It's so awesome to hear. Thank you so much. All right, so let's go in and apply the, oh my god, I'm adding the glow in the darks SS, and then we are going to place some frame on. And add some beads as well, smaller size. I like the combinations of a AB. And combination of that. It looks really good in person now. All right, and we're gonna add more beads on. And I usually finish the beads with 3 beads. Sorry, in Facebook and YouTube, they have a little bit of technical difficulty, and somehow it's got disconnected. So I'm gonna add some beads on. You can finish it and stop at wherever you want. Ooh, I'm so excited today. Besides excited with the sub box, so I'm gonna do a sub box as well. For a lot of you, if you're start receiving your sub box August, let me know what colors of your sub box you're receiving, so I will excited to do the colors design for you. And like for instance, if you're having number 3 or number 4, number 5, I will share with you all different techniques that I know. I will share with you, so then we can create this fun design using the color that you are receiving with the sub box. So I am going to go ahead and adjusting my crystal shape right here, and some of them are just when I place them with the frame, and I might shift it. But the best thing about condensed glue gels are it's not going to cure until I am going to finish it. All right. Is happy with that. I'm gonna go ahead and cure, make sure they are evens. It's not lopsided, but I'm loving it. Let's put it out there. Okay, so let's cure. Maybe one more. Sorry, I will never stop. I will say, oh, hold on, one more. This is really cool though, because if you're like come into this room is dark, it's gonna glow in the dark as well as it sparkle in this under the sun too. All right, here for 60 seconds. Thank you, Nene. Thank you.